What's up, guys? Day 3 of math. I miss you like crazy. Of course I do. But let's do some math today. Today we're on 13.5. It is our last day of chapter 13. Tomorrow you will do the review, and then I will put your final quiz up on Google Classroom. So try your best. If you have any questions, contact me on Google Classroom and we will figure it out. Okay? So stay with me. Remember, if I go too fast, you can rewatch the video, whatever you need from me to support you learning this. So 13.5, we are going to find the area. Just what we've been doing the last few days, but with real life situations and scenarios. So I can solve area problems. If you want to say it with excitement, you can. Maybe stand up on a chair and say it because you're not in school, so you won't get in trouble for standing on a chair and being excited about it. Okay, so our UTP today. Grass is being put around the playground. Yeah, new grass. The grass will cover everything but the playground. How much do we need? We need to figure out how much grass we're going to need, except for we don't want to get grass for where the playground will be. So imagine with me your entire playground. It's 25 feet long and 15 feet wide. Okay, that is our entire field outside. All of this is going to be grass. But right here is our playground. Our playground measures 6 yards by 6 yards. Sorry, these are yards. I don't know if I said feet. But so we want to cover all of this whole area with grass except for this playground. So how would we do that? How could we find the area of all of this except for the playground? So let's think. Let's ignore our playground right now. How would we find the area of just our rectangle field? We would do base times height, right? Our base is 25 and our height is 15. So we need to do 25 times 15. So hopefully your 2 by 2 digit multiplication is coming back. I know we've practiced this a lot. So you want to stay with me. We have 25 times 15. All right, let's give it a try. 5 times 5 is 25. Put the 5 down, carry the 2. Remember, we'll only focus on this 5. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2, 11, 12. 12. All right, we're done with the 5. Cross it off. Done with the 2. Cross it off, and we have to add a placeholder. So you might not be able to see. Let's see if I can get this to go down a tiny bit. There you go. All right, now let's focus on the 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. All right, remember, we still have to add these numbers up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is 375 yards. Okay, so we did 25 times 15 and got 375. So this whole area is 375. But we don't want to cover the playground with grass. So what we need to do is get rid of that area of the playground. And we know how to do that. We say, oh, if we know the area is 6 yards by 6 yards, a perfect square, let's find the area of it and just subtract it so then we don't have to get for this area. So let's think, what is 6 times 6? 6 times 6 is 36. So this area is 36. So we want to take 36 yards away from our total area. So we take our 375, which we got for our whole area, and subtract just the playground area, which is 36. So let's go over here. Let's do 375 minus 36. 375 minus 36. All right, let's do it. You can't do 5 minus 6, so we need to borrow. 7 turns into a 6. 5 turns into 15. So 15 minus 6 is 9. 6 minus 3 is 3. And bring down that 3. So remember, we're doing it in yards. We add a squared because we're finding the area. So all together, the whole area of the grass without the playground is 339 yards. What? We did it. Okay, let's try another one. if you need to rewind it, remember you always can. Okay, let's do another one. Let us do, not a word problem, let's just look at a shape. So, if I had this shape, a nice rectangle. Lucky for us, they're always going to be rectangles, even if Miss Gillette's aren't perfect rectangles. Looks really ski-wampus. Hang on. There we go. Okay, we got a rectangle. And say this is the side of a house, right? We have a door. Make it cute. We want to paint the whole side of the house except the door. The door we want to paint a different color. So this is 12 feet. The height is 8 feet. The door is 3 feet wide and the height is 7 feet. Okay, so we want to paint everything except the door, right? So we want to make sure that we have enough. So first we have to find the area of the whole wall and then subtract the door. So if this side is 8 feet and this side is 12 feet, we have to do base times height. So we have to do 8 times 12. 8 times 12, okay, think. If you don't know your 12s, 8 times 11 is 88, and then add 8 to that is 96. So we know the whole area is 96 feet squared, okay? But we need to get rid of the door because we don't want to paint it. So we do 7 times 3 because we have base is 3, height is 7. 7 times 3 is, hopefully you know, is 21 feet. So we got to take our whole area and subtract our new 21 feet. So let's do 96 minus 21. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. And then we have to add our feet. And because it's area, we're squaring it. So we should have 75 feet squared. All right, so remember, you take the bigger area and subtract the smaller area so you can find the whole, what you actually want to paint or cut or put grass upon. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Good luck on the homework. I'll see you soon, hopefully.